Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so I have some ground beef here that I want to season. This evening, check it marinated overnight because I want to make some pasta and ground beef tomorrow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some green seasoning into my ground beef here. Okay. I'm going to put some Frank's hot sauce. It's all about adding, flavors. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But the more flavors, it enhances the dish. Okay, so I'm going to add some onion powder. Now, of course, I'm just eyeballing everything at this point in time. I have some garlic powder here. I'm going to add some garlic powder to this. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Lawry's seasoned salt. I'm going to add a little smoked paprika. And I'll add a little bit of cayenne pepper. And that's it. Actually, what I'll also add to this is some seasoning peppers. Now, in stirring this, I'm being very gentle, because mincemeat has a tendency to want to clam together. So I'm just gently mixing the seasoning in. Okay, so let's get some seasoning peppers to add to this. So guys, I'm adding spring onions here. Now I'm going to cut up the seasoning peppers. Doesn't it look pretty, guys, with the red and the green, all the colors? Alright, so now what we're going to do is cover this and leave it to marinate. Okay, so we're going to add some salt to the water in order for us to boil our pasta. Now in my case, I am using gluten-free pasta. What I'm also going to add to the water is some Italian seasoning as well. So this is to infuse your pasta water with a little more flavor. Alright, so now that our water is boiling, we're going to add in our pasta and we will cook the pasta as per instructions. Alright, so here in my pan, I have added my olive oil. I'm now going to saute my onion and garlic, and this is for us to cook our ground beef. Now to my onion and garlic, I added some sea salt to that. After it has sauteed for a while, I'm now going to add in my ground beef, and we're going to cook our ground beef completely. Just mixing everything in, and now I'm going to add a whole hot pepper. Of course, this is optional. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook completely. The hot pepper will help to infuse the ground beef with some flavors well enough. So we're not going to burst this pepper, we're going to leave it whole just to help to add a little flavor to our ground beef. So the ground beef is cooked now. I'm adding some fresh tomatoes. And then we're going to allow this fresh tomato to cook as well. I'm going to add a little more Italian seasoning as well to this. I'm going to add some sugar. I added about 1 teaspoon of sugar. At this point, before adding in my pasta, I'm going to remove that hot pepper. And now I'm going to add my cooked pasta to this. I'll have to break it up and mix everything together. Here I have some chicken broth that I mixed some cornstarch in it. And this is to help to thicken up the sauce, to create a sauce and to thicken the sauce. And to top it off, I'm adding some parsley.